Hello fellow photographers, this is SONGCHOI and I'm fashion photographer, and here is
Anastasio, hi.
Hi again. Today we are setting something dramatic light called checkerboard lighting. Previous time we set really basic setting of male test shoot. Now I want to set something different lighting. Something really different lighting. So I chose this checkerboard lighting, which is like chessboard, white, black, white, black. So let's see how this light looks. I set two background lights with the Fresnel lens and aperture 600D. They're making some two bright spots at the background. Key light is making split light from his left side. This side is bright and this side is dark, but background, this side, left side is bright and right side, right top is quite dark. And bottom, left dark, right bright. So now, because of this black and white, all these scenes look so dramatic. Let's see how it looks on him. This is key light, which is coming right next to him. We call this split light. Split light is coming from right next to model. So model looks really half and half, bright, dark. This looks really good on male model, and on female model, this looks really serious scene. However, I set top light really close to him, so this is helping the split light. So because of this, sometimes when he turns his face, sometimes it looks like lantern light. And this light is rim light. This light is helping him being separated from background. And there are two lights, aperture 600D. I set f10 Fresnel lenses on there, and they're making not that clear, but timid circles on the background. They are really key on this checkerboard lighting, making bright, dark, bright, dark. This V flat is helping the dark side from split lighting. Split light is making really dark shadow, so I set this V flat. His dark side is less dark than before. Without this, it will be too much contrast. Cool. Awesome. Brilliant. Great. Awesome. Let's see.